That's good. I have quite a bit of facial hair. This is 5 days here, so this is thick. The last time I did this, I used a Merkur 34c with a Gillette Platinum blade. Today I'm going to use the feather blades. These blades tend to be what I'm moving to every time. Very sharp, very efficient on my face, since I have sensitive skin and, you know, a very thick beard, especially in the neck. There's a lot down there. All right, so I'm going to be using Executive Man as well. Sterling soap has become one of my favorites, so I like their stuff. And I've got a Simpson synthetic T3 knot, highly reviewed. It's a big knot. I like it. It whips up a nice quick lather in my Sterling soap collapsible bowl. So let me add a little bit of soap from the puck onto the head of the brush. I already soaked the brush. The nice thing with synthetic brushes, you don't have to soak them while you're in the shower. They'll be fine. They get nice and wet real quick. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going around the tin here to load up the tips of this brush. And then I'm going to put them in, you know, the shave buff. So I'm going to go in there dry first. See, there's nothing. Dip the tips in the water. A couple of little droplets, I guess, is what's going to come out. Start lathering up. And after you lather this, you're going to get, you know, you're going to start seeing nice peaks. And it doesn't take much of this soap to shave your face. Now I'm going to go and start applying it to my face. Get a nice lather on there. Now the soap, when you go from here to there for the cream, dip your brush back into your warm water and it'll heat it up because it's going to get cold. And you don't want anything cold on your face, because if it's cold, it's going to start closing your pores and it's going to start tightening up on the facial hair on your face. Get some more soap here. Nice thing about face lathering as well is you're exfoliating your face. You're getting all that dirt on your face that you can't get off when you're, what do you call it, taking a shower. And you can just see how thick mine is today. It is thick. I mean real thick. So Merkur 34c with a feather blade. Put it in the warm water. And let's go in for the first pass. So my first pass, I'm gonna go with the green. Oh, I kind of forgot how to shave. Haven't shaved in a long time. All right. Yeah, I mean, for 5 days of growth, that's just running right through it. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. I mean, that's a first pass. That's beautiful. detail for the first one. All right, with the grain on my neck, I have to go from my chin to my ears. Yeah, there's a lot there. Took off quite a bit. All right, with the grain. I'm sorry, yeah, still going with the grain on my neck. Flip it. Yeah, that's nice. That was a good first pass for sure. All right, let me rinse off my face. First pass complete with the grain. Now I'm gonna lather up and go against the grain. So I got sick last week and feeling a ton better now. Not sleeping all day. Still a little tired, but not sleeping. With the second pass, it's gonna be a lot quicker than the first pass, because now I've already removed a level of the facial hair. That's one thing you're gonna have to do with, safety razor shaving. But again, I don't get any skin irritation. I don't get any razor bumps. I might nick myself here and there, but you're gonna get used to this method pretty quick. I'm still learning, but I can get a really good shave. And that's awesome. All right, so with the grain. Perfect pass. Yeah, these feather blades with this Merkur 34c HD, it's a winning combo. If you guys are thinking about this is a must-have razor. Let's see, against the grain on my chin, it's gonna be down. Yeah, that's just beautiful. All right. Yeah, that's wonderful. On my neck, I have to be like, I don't even put any pressure on that razor. I'm just trying to get that angle. That's all I'm trying to do. I get this again. See how easy that is? That's just perfect. Perfect. Looking good so far. So for my third and final pass, I'm going to go against the grain. If you can see down here, you can still see it's pretty thick through here. But this pass is going to take care of that. Reapply to my face. All right, so against the grain, here we go. Yeah, it's getting it. with the green under my chin and jaw. Yeah, that's just awesome. See the rake lines it's leaving? Because I'm not pressing hard at all. Okay. Against the green neck. I'm barely holding this in my hand. Just trying to get that angle perfect. It's not tugging at it, it's slicing right through those hairs that are left. But I am not pressing, I'm just trying to get that 30-degree angle. Yeah, that's good. It's a great pass. All right, now for the cleanup. It's pretty good. Might be a little bit on my neck, but I'm okay with that right now. That's good. Calling that good. It's closer than I can get with a cartridge razor, that's for sure. My Gillette will not even come close to getting there. So the Gillette razor, it won't even get me anywhere near this close. The alum block is a must-have. It's going to close all your pores on your face and assist in any weepers, nicks, cuts, anything you might have. It's stinging a little bit on my neck. That was a lot of facial hair to take off. And I have to say that the Merkur 34c with a feather blade, it just eats right through that. And then you pair it with, some awesome soap by Serling, or anybody that uses talon, beef talon in their soaps. It's going to be very slick, better than your Gillette Fusion gels and any of your canned shit. It's going to outperform that big time. One thing I've been using as well is this Nivea aftershave balm. This stuff is nice because it's going to help, and I've never used this till starting to safety razor shave. It's going to help repair your skin from that razor hitting your face. I don't know if you've noticed, is my face sometimes looks red after I get shaving. Of course it does. I mean, I just took a freaking double-edged razor to it. So yeah, it's going to be a little red. But one thing I've noticed as well is about 10-15 minutes later, the redness goes away from my face. And like now it's BBS up here. It's not quite down here, but in 10-15 minutes, that hair's going to go back in and it will be probably BBS or darn close. So I do highly recommend an aftershave, and it's cheap. You can get this stuff on Amazon, and I'll link below to tell you how to get it on Amazon. I think I paid 12 something, and the price varies for 3 bottles. I've gone through like halfway through this bottle, and I've been doing this now for a month and a half. So it lasts a long time as well. But I do recommend this Merkur 34 HD or 34C HD. You can't miss with this, especially if you're new like I am. The angles on this on your face, it's hard to achieve with this, even though it's 30 degrees. If you get too aggressive, it won't cut, which is nice, so you don't cut your face. With other razors that I've tried, especially the Timeless, which is made in Ohio, that's why I tried it, that thing was really aggressive. I didn't even put a feather blade in it, and it chewed up my face. So it was way too aggressive for my skin, or at least my talent right now in my wet shaving dilemma that I'm in right now. But I can honestly say I will never go back to disposable razors. No way. I mean, the expense of it is why I was looking for an alternative, and you just can't lose. I think this blade right here cost me 5 cents. Now granted, the razor itself cost me $40, but I mean, you can see how quick you're gonna make that money back, because the disposable razors, I was going through, you know, 2, 3 a week, and at least 2. And right, I mean, the first shave was okay with them, but going against the grain on my neck is the biggest thing. I would always have razor bumps and razor burn down here. So if I was going out somewhere, like, I'd have to shave a day before to make sure my neck would recover. And if you want to take out having to schedule how you shave around, you know, what you're doing in life, I would recommend this. It's not going to take long for you to get used to this. And if you look at my neck, I'm shaving against the grain now, which I used to not be able to shave against the grain. I mean, I could do it, and yes, like I said, I would have to wait a day or 2 for my skin to recover. And, you know, that night or day I was meeting someone, I would, you know, just go with the grain, because that's the only thing that didn't cause irritation on my face. So there is a definite advantage, not just price, but performance of these double-edged razors. Like the video that you saw today, I have a bunch more videos, and you can start right here or visit my homepage, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great day.